What if the next biggest Apple product had no screen at all and still changed everything you do every single day? Right now, while most people are focused on bigger phones, thinner watches, and smarter earbuds, Apple might be working on something far more radical. Something so small, so quiet, and so invisible that you might not even realize how much you depend on it. Until you try it once. This is the idea of the Apple Ring. And according to ongoing leaks, and industry whispers in 2026, this is no longer just a concept sitting inside Apple's labs. It is slowly turning into a real product category. And if it launches the way reports suggest, it could completely shift how we think about wearable technology. For years, Apple stayed out of the smart ring market. While other companies experimented with simple rings for sleep tracking, step counting, and basic health data, Apple did nothing publicly. But that silence was not weakness, it was strategy. Apple has a history of waiting, watching, studying, and then entering a market only when it believes it can redefine it completely. We saw it with the smartphone, we saw it with the smartwatch. And now, many believe the same pattern is repeating again with a device that is even more minimal than anything Apple has ever made. Because the Apple Ring is not being positioned as just another fitness tracker. It is being designed as something much more powerful, something that blends into your life so naturally that it feels less like a device and more like an extension of your body. One of the biggest rumored features is advanced gesture control. Imagine being able to scroll through your iPhone without touching it, or adjusting volume on your Mac with a simple movement of your fingers, or even navigating apps in a spatial interface using only subtle hand gestures. No screen interaction, no physical touch, just motion. This idea alone changes everything because right now, every device still depends on touchscreens or voice commands. But a smart ring could quietly remove that limitation. It could become a hidden controller for the entire Apple ecosystem. Your phone, your laptop, your tablet, your home devices. All connected through something you wear without even noticing it. And that is where things start to get even more interesting. Health tracking has always been Apple's strongest area in wearables. The Apple Watch already changed how people monitor their fitness and heart health. But the Apple Ring could take that idea further in a completely different direction. Leaks suggest it may include continuous blood oxygen monitoring, skin temperature tracking, and even advanced stress detection through subtle changes in your skin. These are not just fitness features anymore. They're deep health insights running quietly in the background all day. It's every day, but the most talked about. Rumor is something far more ambitious. Non-invasive glucose monitoring. If Apple manages to pull this off inside a ring, it would be a breakthrough not just for tech, but for healthcare itself. Because it would mean people could track glucose levels without needles, without pain, and without constant manual checks. Even if this feature is still years away, the idea alone shows the direction Apple is aiming for. And here is the part that makes the Apple Ring even more powerful: no display. At first, that sounds like a limitation. But in reality, it is one of its biggest advantages. Without a screen-draining battery, the device could last much longer than typical wearables. Some reports suggest battery life could reach nearly a full week on a single charge. That changes how people use wearables entirely. No daily charging. Routine. No constant anxiety about battery levels. It's just a device that quietly stays with you. But the real strength of Apple has never just been hardware. It is the ecosystem. And the Apple Ring is expected to plug directly into that ecosystem in a way that feels seamless. You could unlock your devices with a simple hand movement. You could confirm payments with a gesture. You could control smart home devices without reaching for your phone. Everything becomes faster, simpler, and more invisible. What makes this even more important is that the Apple Ring is not meant to replace the Apple Watch. Instead, both devices could work together. The watch handling display-based tasks and detailed health data, while the Ring handles silent tracking and gesture control. Together, they could create a level of accuracy and integration we have never seen before in consumer tech. And if Apple gets this combination right, it could create a new standard for wearables entirely. Because this is no longer about just tracking steps or showing notifications. This is about reducing friction between humans and technology. It is about making devices disappear into the background while still staying fully connected to your life. The Apple Ring might look small. It might even seem simple. But sometimes the simplest products carry the biggest impact. And according to current expectations, Apple could be preparing to reveal this device around 2026, possibly alongside its next-generation iPhone lineup. With a premium price range that still keeps it within reach for Apple users,